Welcome to My Smart Booklet 1. Retail Therapy, your clear and practical companion for grade 12 students in Oman. This booklet is the first in a series of 4 booklets, each covering one major theme from your grade 12 course. And here, we begin with Theme 1, Retail Therapy. Learning English doesn't have to feel overwhelming. Retail therapy breaks down all the key vocabulary connected to the theme from the very beginning, using visuals and engaging tasks that make learning simple and enjoyable. You'll explore everyday terms related to business, trading, shopping, brand names, markets, and advertising, all explained in a way that is easy to understand and remember. Grammar rules are also presented in an engaging and simplified way, so you can use them with confidence. To help you prepare for real success, the booklet includes exam practice tasks covering all skills, ensuring you are ready not just to learn, but to perform at your best. And just like every smart booklet, Retail Therapy is supported by the YouTube channel
English course with Aimen.
You can watch, pause, and practice at your own pace, making your learning journey smarter and more flexible. With the added support of ChatGPT technology, every explanation and activity has been refined for clarity and accuracy, combining expert teaching with smart innovation. Whether you're preparing for exams or simply building your skills, My Smart Booklet 1, Retail Therapy, is here to guide you, making English learning simpler, smarter, and more enjoyable.